What's up, everybody? Today I wanted to take the motorcycle out, or the scooter, but we have a couple of problems. Number one, I can't get to it. The seat's off, the battery charger's on, but that's the main problem. It's freaking cold out. So today we're gonna take the wife's Captiva. Love to take that and show you what I got there, but unfortunately, yeah, we got snow. So the Captiva is gonna be, oh well. Car coming. And there's a big pile of snow over here. I can't seem to want to get around. Oh. The snow's piled up taller than the car is. That's ridiculous. Whee! Oh, it's bloody cold out here. So, my queen. Yeah. Taking the back roads? Yeah. Okay. Might as well have some fun, right? $7.
I have another dollar from here.
Oh, okay, for sure. Anything else there? They used to have a whole fleet, but now they're all gone. Snow. It's just pretty and disgusting at the same time. Because if it's beautiful, pristine snow, it's beautiful. But it's disgusting because it's just, there's no life there. Because it's untouched. There's no life there either. It's a graveyard. just have one of the cars he works on. It's a beautiful convertible. Old, I don't want to say an Oldsmobile. 70s model. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. Red, white interior. Oh, it's pretty. It's purtiful. Never use cruise control when you have stuff like this. You know why?
You go off the road.
No, your tires will continue to spin, and there you go, off the road. So yes, and no, at the same time. Trust me, I know my cars.
So do I.
Yeah. Barely know how to drive one. How many times have you gotten stuck in our driveway now? 4 just this winter? Oh shit! No, that thing did. Yeah. You're gonna make it fun of you, and well, it's a big pile of snow, and I can't see where I'm around him.
Good thing I'm not driving.
I know, right? We'd be in the ditch dead, flipped over. And Toyota have to pull us out. Yeah, this is where that lady, you can see the skid marks even from this spring where she hit the ditch. Dude, get in your lane. There's a car coming. Get in your lane. That guy's hauling butt, not even thinking about slowing down. Oh, I took him away. Not need any more dogs until we get our own place.
But hopefully soon, her Scrappy and Aspen can start producing.
Breeding.
Yeah.
And we get a free puppy, right?
That's what I try to tell her.
Yeah.
I was like, your butt better call me when Aspen's in labor.
Yeah, you want to see a baby born.
Yeah. She's like, you'll be the first call.
And we get a free puppy, right?
That's what I try to tell her.
I don't ever want to breed animals other than chickens. Maybe some ducks and geese, but other than that, no. No. Maybe alpacas. I don't know. I kind of like alpacas. They're a little cute.
We'll take the pony.
Huh?
We'll take the pony. Jackson.
No. Not Jackson.
Huh?
I don't know. Not Jackson.
What?
I don't like the name Jackson.
I know. Yeah.
Oh, those are horrible rainbow heart-shaped glasses? What were they thinking? Woo! Turn, dude, I'm sliding. Thank you. Can't just slam on your bloody brakes from... Idiot. You knew... Well, Ben, back there you were driving it. Turn it. I didn't realize he was slowing down until he slammed on his brakes for the last second. But oh well, we didn't hit him. We're good. And I was paying attention to stealing your coffee. Somebody flattened that sign. Snowplow, go boom. Slow. We can't talk fast here because the sign said slow. No, that's not how that works. I tried. Oh, another lane. Even that one's rough. Oh. Look at the eagle in the field. He's a big boy. Look at that one. That's a hawk or a buzzard. That's a buzzard. No, that's an eagle. Yeah, it's an eagle.
No.
No, that's a buzzard. Couldn't really tell. I wonder if all the deer at that deer place are out. I can't figure if that is a state-run facility or private. I believe it's a privately owned facility. Yeah, I was coming here one day. I was in the on the bike, and there was some little souped-up car sitting behind me, and his muffler was dragging on the ground. He didn't realize it, so I got off the bike, and I'm like, "Do you know your muffler's dragging?" He's like, "What?" So I helped him fix it real quick. Did a real quick roadside assistant fix. He was very grateful. Hey, we have the wind door back. That's much better. I still want to buy this little house up here. Oh. Right here. It's a cute little house. I would love to get it. That's the snowplow. Just a cute little cut limestone house. I would love to get it, but I don't know if it's for sale or not. Does Fred need crickets?
I'll get them while we're out.
Okay. What?
Bird.
Oh. The bird. Oh, the bird is over. That was a great episode. Building there, but I want to say there's a house back that way, but they don't have any of the animals out right now because obviously it's too cold. Possibly, I don't know. But it just says wildlife observation, so I don't know if it's private owned because that's a lot of land. I mean, it goes all the way back.
How'd you catch them?
Well, they're tame, so they're used to human contact. But they don't let them out over here, even though they own all this land. They stay in that one little area by the water. So I don't know. That'd be nice, just have a whole bunch of deer on the land and just fence them in and let people look at them. That guy's got several hundred of them. That's what I don't. I wonder what kind of permit you have for that. And I don't think it's a hunting club. He's got a lot of albinos too. So. Dang, that guy passed the semi and that other car. He's way up there. What's it worth? Nothing. Drive like a lunatic to go nowhere. Oh, the house is going up for auction. Want to bid?
89.
Starting at 89? It's not bad. Depending on how big the property is. And I don't know if these are vineyard here or what this is, but they always have all the, well, not right now obviously, but they always have, I think it's a vineyard. I think these guys make wine just for their own deliciousness. See, this Toyota I love. Same one Alex has. And I like that. That's the only thing, well, other than obviously exotics, love that house. That's the one we just saw from back there. But other than exotics, that's the only thing that looks good in yellow. None of the horses are out today. Oh, there's one. Way in the back. That's just a weird shaped house. It's tiny, but it looks, yeah. Weird layout. Still got a glass dinging around back there. This ought to be an interesting drive. Can't see over the hill. Road's covered in snow. It's blowing. Neighborhood to the left, and they had plans to do the same on the right, but I don't remember what happened, why they didn't do it. Didn't have enough interest, I guess. Ouch. That building, I thought they sold that building. Now it's available. Signal people that I'm only going that way. I don't know either. Maybe we should look into that. That's a ginormous shopping today? No? Okay. No, if we end up buying a bird, we're not going thrift shopping. Especially there. Prices are too high.
Is that where you got the TV?
No, that was Salvation Army. Should be on the left-hand side up here, correct? I think so. It's in the Alpine, so yeah, it's right up here. Might be on the right. I don't remember. That's over here on the right. So I'm going to need to get over and then get that exit entrance. How's her car so clean? She's not driving. This guy's just texting away. Hey, it's green. Yeah, he put his phone down. Good man.
Like, you asshole.
I don't care. I put on my blinker well back there. Ugh! Well, we can park right up front. Look at there. Whee! Oh, okay. And we hit the pole. Look at this little guy. Oh, he's so cute. Look at his name. He's gorgeous.
You may want to turn left.
Why would I turn left? 173 is in front of us.
Does it?
Yeah. We're on Alpine, aren't we?
I don't think so.
Yes, well, no, we're on Harlem. And Harlem runs into 173. I don't know. No, I needed to turn left on Forest Hills, I think.
I think over there is where whatchamacallit is. The only thing that I have with like the Canaries, their lakes are so
Thin.
thin.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that.
Really?
Really?
And then how did Angel's leg get broke?
I think Mercy got a hold of him. It's the only thing I can figure, because there's no way that... Yeah.
That's the only thing. Yeah, turn left.
I know where I'm at now.
That's the only thing that worries me. But I don't want to spend $100 and some odd on a bird.
I don't want to either right now, so...
Unless I'm cooking it.
You wouldn't eat a $120 bird.
Eat your bird.
Hey, leave my baby alone. Oh! That was close.
They don't leave on time.
Well, I need to figure it out. Your lack of preparation does not constitute an emergency on my end. And I'm not going to put myself in danger or you in danger because I'm running late. And I make a left here, correct?
No. Oh, yeah.
Huh,
Yeah.
let me think. 173. Yeah, I turn left. Let me just double. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, should I turn left here?
No. You should make it right here.
Yeah, I go to the interstate and take off. Follow 90 as far as we can to 39, and then follow 39 all the way down to Florida. Oh wait, it doesn't go to Florida.
Where's it go?
Illinois, and then we have to get on other stuff. Come on, people. Green means get out of my way. Whee! here?
No.
Next one? If I would have turned down Forest Hills, we would have been a whole block ahead of ourselves. Well, yeah, I do turn here. I gotta go to get gas at Casey's. Whee! I don't want to fill up gas in the cold. Oh well. Should I fill her up? Yes, no, maybe? Well, you should care. You staying in the car?
Yep.
Okay. It's bloody cold out there. Oh my God. Took forever to pump gas. They say you should always pump gas first thing in the morning when it's at its coldest, so the gas is more condensed and you don't get all fumes. I don't think that matters when it's 3 degrees outside. Oh my God, it was trickling. I only put 20 bucks in.
I was like, what is he doing?
It took forever. It just didn't want to move. It's just like blah, 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 blah. You got a big old smoochie right there. Oh.
Okay, put this in.
Whew. I got selling air gas.
There. You think you need to turn right?
Why would I need to turn right?
Everything's this way. No way.
That way to get back on 173. It's okay. Here's your sign. Oh my God, my ears hurt. Should have wore a knit cap instead of a ball cap. What were I thinking? Should have, could have, would have got a beanie. Oh. Why did we go on an adventure without filling up gas first? I forgot. I know what I got to do.
You have my thing now, don't you?
Yeah, I left it open. Where's the place we're going?
Keep going.
I gotta close that up.
Yeah? You think? I've never done that.
I have never done that either. Until today. Good thing we're stopping up here because I gotta close it up. It's just so damn cold out, I forgot about it. We got the receipt, which I normally don't do, but now we have to. Hey, look, for lease. We can get an office space here. I don't know why we need it, but why not? Pet shots. You can shoot our pets at the PetSmart. Oops, I didn't use my blinker. I'm sorry, people. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Whee! Oh, it's cold. My brain hurt. No, we didn't. We bought 2 fishies.
2 fish.
Naughty children, yep, that's what they are. So I just figured out the name of mine. Since it's a naughty children, we're going to name it Jacob.
You're going to name it Jacob? Hey! Yeah.
We bought new tanks so they can be separated. Because I'm not filling up a 55-gallon fish tank for 2 beta fish. Or 1 beta fish. Even though when I lived in Florida, I had 1 beta fish in a 10-gallon.
At least we didn't buy a bird. Huh? We were gonna buy another bird. Huh?
We were going to buy another bird.
You gonna buy another bird?
We were thinking about it, but we ended up with fish instead. We had to buy a new bird cage, and now we have a spare. So we were going to buy another bird, but now we'll just wait until we find something we really like, or we rescue something. We got to stop buying them and just rescue them.
Mario.
Oh, Mario.
It's a Mario.
Yeah, you should name your fish Jacob.
No. I'm thinking of a good Japanese name like Yamato or Toyota. Wait.
Or, that'd be a little weird.
Ninja. Well, those are Chinese warriors, aren't they? I don't remember. Maybe the Japanese ninjas. I don't remember. Yeah, ninjas are Japanese, and they're Japanese fighting fish. I had one named Oscar. He was red. He was a fantail.
How come you can't go to your fish without mine?
Nope. Fish are not for traveling. We can take you fishing and then you can catch your own. Then I'll have the 55 set up with some bluegill in it. That'd be awesome. Bluegill and a bass. I want to do that. You want to do that? That'd be awesome.
We gotta get Pear's new cage set up.
Maybe tomorrow?
I have to work tomorrow.
Very soon?
Maybe.
What are you coming up?
I don't know, since you don't love me.
You love you.
Oh. Do you love Uncle Robert?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh, isn't that sweet?
But now that fish you got in there. A red one, a blue one.
A red one and a blue one. The red one, his name is Rin.
Oh. What's the book's name?
We don't know yet.
He doesn't have a name yet.
Now Jacob.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Jacob.
I don't want to name it Jacob. One Jacob is too much to keep a hold of. Definitely can't handle two.
That's funny, Mama.
That was funny.
Oh, little.
Ugh. Ugh. How about we name him Carl?
What?
Carl.
Carl?
Yeah, it's a good
No.
name. No, you don't like it?
No.
What?
Oh, wow. This road's much worse than it was earlier. It also got windier. Breeze blowing on the side. Steal some of your oversweetened coffee.
No such thing.
Yeah. When you're chewing on it because it's nothing but sugar and cream. It's a touch of coffee with cream and, or it's a cream and sugar with a touch of coffee. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's not coffee.
it is.
That actually tastes like Starbucks the way you have it made up. And we're sliding. Actually, we didn't slide, just making lots of noise. I cannot see that way. Is it clear?
I think so.
Well, if our front end gets ripped off, we're good. Oh, it doesn't get ripped off. We don't want it ripped off. Yeah, this guy had a Subaru Brat I wanted to buy. I should have bought it. Cute little car, and he didn't want much for it. And they're cheap to fix. Subarus last forever, and it's a Brat, so it's like this mini picking them up truck car. It's so cool. And his had a camper shell on the back, so I could have hauled all kinds of stuff with it.
Oh boy.
Let me get over so I don't run into this guy. We'll wait for these three cars. Oh, no, we got plenty of room. We got plenty of time. Let's go. Get on her, get on her. Yeehaw! When's the auction? I want to see when it is. And is it the blue house?
Um,
Online bidding only.
February 16th.
So tomorrow. This is the guy that sells goats, I think. But I haven't seen the sign for a while. He's got some signs out there now. Any goats for sale? I don't know. Maybe that's not him. I don't know. Maybe it was further back. It's one of these along here that sells goats. Can't remember which one though. I'd like to get some goats.
I can get some goats.
Huh?
I can get some goats.
Yeah.
At work.
Sure. Who's got goats at work?
Whitney from Cabex.
Ah, Whitney has goats.
Dale has cows. And Brianna has cows. Brianna said that she would just give me a cow and her parents wouldn't know.
Well, the parents would know. How are you going to tote it home?
I don't know. Get it a baby.
Even it, well, yeah, you can fit a baby in here, but if it pees or poops, you're in trouble.
I had.
This is not, that's the one that has goats, I think.
I'm the one that had pig poop in the back of the car.
Hey, I was the one driving.
You steered it.
Well, he was good to go, and he was just sitting with his head right here between Kyle and I. I want to get something like they have at the zoo with all the budgies in there. I would love to have something like that. A few thousand budgies just flying around. That would be awesome. Or have a big aviary where you have a bunch of different exotics. Like a tropical rainforest setup, but you can't do that here unless, I mean, it would cost you a fortune to heat it. Plus, they're so finicky on what you can and can't have in this stupid state. And our city's even worse. Even the county's terrible.
He's stuck.
He is very stuck. I would stop and help, but I'm wearing Crocs. Sorry, dude. Yeah. Ooh, look at these. Look at pheasants.
They're so much prettier on my wall.
I know, right? Another beautiful birds. I don't know if I got them on the camera, but we'll find out later. Sick of people. Amazing how many people still have their trash cans out. Oh, they're all at work too, so. Am I backing her in?
Sure, why not?
Might as well. Can't see where I'm going with all these piles of snow. Ugh.
Still have that blue sign open.
I don't know what blue thing. The big brown turd right there? Yay, I made it! Woohoo! So the reason we went out today is because this little monster likes to get out of his cage. So we had to buy him a new cage. So there you go. Yeah, because he likes to come over here and get a hold of this one. Yeah. I don't know, he can't get out of this cage. Let's just hope. Instead of buying another bird, we ended up with fish. That's Rin. That's his little house, but we have to wait for the water to get good. And then we've got mine, which is Neptune. Yeah, and that's his little hidey hole, but we have to wait for it to get good water too. So we end up with 2 betta fish and 2 aquariums instead of another bird, which this was the cheaper end. So that's a good thing, right?